Hello, welcome to Dad and Mad. Today we have Dazzle Rebel to oh man.
What?
You didn't say Dad.
I know, you just went with it. I was gonna.
Sorry.
You want to do it again, do you?
Yes.
All right, then go for
Cut
it.
that bit out.
I'll cut that bit out.
Right. This is Dad and Mad on YouTube.
Stay tuned. Check this out. 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to
Dad
and Mad. Today we have Dazzle Rebel to answer some questions.
Hey, dude.
Hello, how you doing?
Good.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
It's good to see you, man.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, you're getting straight in.
You sound serious.
All right, go ahead.
What's your favourite rock music?
Ooh, that is a tough one because I like so many. I like Guns N' Roses. I like Queen. I like Def Leppard. In fact, Queen is probably one of my favourite rock bands of all time because they were so diverse, and it was the first rock band I got into. I like Megadeth. You heard of them? Iron Maiden. My favourite one. Oh, it's so difficult. That is. That's like asking what your favourite finger is.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Dude.
Probably Queen because they've got such a wide range of sounds since they started to when they finished. I'll say Queen.
You like a little bit of Queen, don't you?
Yeah.
What's your favourite rock music?
Kiss.
Kiss.
Kiss. Ah, yeah. Have you ever seen Kiss?
Yeah, I actually went to one of their.
We did their End of the Road tour last year, didn't we?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. What do you think to them live?
There was fire and everything. There was like this shoot, and then at the end of one song.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen Alice Cooper?
No, I don't think you have.
No.
No.
He's not quite as big on the pyrotechnics, but he puts on a good show as well.
Maybe we'll watch some on YouTube.
Mm.
And we'll play some of those others that Dazzle Yaebel Rides just mentioned as well.
Yeah.
We'll look into them. Any that you haven't listened to already.
No.
Does that answer your question?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Cool.
Right. For the people that don't know, what do you ride?
I ride a 2014 Indian Chief Vintage, all black.
Nice.
I think that they guessed it because
Yeah, you have got a very cool cap on there, Mad. That is awesome. Do you like the FTR?
Yeah.
You do?
Dazzle Yaebel Rides. Did you start the Indian motorcycle world, dude?
I did. I started it with a few other YouTubers. Sort of, what it was I was looking online. I found it difficult to find at the time other people who were on YouTube doing Indian motorcycle content. There was loads of people doing Harleys because obviously Harleys is been going a lot longer, is a much bigger brand.
Mm.
But I struggled to find anybody who was doing Indian. So after searching, I finally found some and hooked up with them and thought it'd be good to try and get a bit of a community going.
Yeah, for sure.
And so it started with a small group of us, and it's growing all the time.
Yeah. We follow a fair few of those in the Indian motorcycle world as well, don't we?
yeah.
Mm.
We spoke to Bearded Bobber the other week.
Yeah. Also, Dad does not take care of his bandit.
Well, that's besides the point.
He doesn't take care of his bandit.
No.
It's the workhorse.
Oh well, that's what bandits are for.
It's dusty.
It's filthy. Well, I like
Yeah.
it. I like
That's how people use bandits. So they're designed to be a total workhorse.
Yes.
You're supposed to use and abuse them.
Yes, for
Your
sure.
second one.
My second bandit, isn't it?
Ah.
Yeah.
Wait. What bike is that?
It's got character. Under here, that's Mummy's Rebel.
Mummy's Rebel. Dazzle. Rebel.
What, Honda Rebel?
Yeah, that's a. She had the Honda Shadow 125 to learn on. Then we had 1200 S Sportster, which she wanted. But then when she passed the test and got on it, it was too much for her, too big, too heavy. So we looked at other bikes, and she's gone for the Honda Rebel 500, which is perfect size for her. So
it looks like a cool bike. I've not ridden one yet.
Say that again, sorry, mate.
I've not ridden one yet, but they do look like a cool, nice, fun bike to ride.
Yeah.
So, are we gonna sell it?
No, this is Mummy's bike. No, that's it. She's keeping that until she's used to riding, and then who knows?
Aww.
She might chop it up and change it for something else.
Oh, but I want to swap that for the road glide.
No, Daddy will get rid of the Bandit if he's going to get the Road Glide.
No, that's your workhorse.
The Sportster might become the workhorse. Who knows?
No, I don't want the sports to be old and dusty.
No, I'll look after that more if that's going to be a workhorse. I'll try and look after that more.
Try?
Yeah.
What do you mean try?
Try the very best. I'll promise I'll try. I'll look after it.
Oh, there'll be consequences.
Consequence. It might be your bike when you're older.
Yes.
Okay.
What's your favourite bike, Mad?
Hello. Didn't I just tell you?
Road Glide.
Yes.
Road Glide. Oh.
I like Road Glide.
You love it.
She wants that sofa on the back.
Yeah. It's so deep.
Yeah, I'll come with it.
3. Where are you in the world? Can you tell us a little something about it?
I'm in Nottingham, England.
Yes.
Where can you tell me something about Nottingham?
I think you know at least one thing about Nottingham.
Yeah, I think I do.
Someone who's from Nottingham.
Sherwood Forest.
Do you remember?
Yes, Dazzle Yaebel lives there.
Good answer.
That is brilliant answer.
What about this poker chip here? What does that say?
Nottingham.
No, what does that say then?
Robin Hood.
Robin Hood.
Robin Hood.
Yeah, that's what Nottingham's famous for, is Robin Hood and his band of merry men and the evil sheriff of Nottingham.
Oh, yeah.
The evil sheriff of Nottingham.
Well, yeah, I mean, he's depicted in a lot of the stories as evil, isn't he?
No, it is.
Have you ever seen the Disney Robin Hood with the fox who plays Robin Hood? Yeah, that was one of my favourite films as a kid.
You like that?
Yes.
Yeah.
We've been to Nottingham. We was talking about it this morning before we spoke to you. That the one day we went up there and we went to the castle, didn't we? And we went to the Kitty Cafe.
Oh yeah, the Kitty Cafe. They've got a little cat, Persian cat like we've got in there called, is it Fudge or something like that? Really fluffy cat. Yeah,
because Soph and Mad love their cats, don't you?
Yes.
And I'm guessing you've tried donuts.
Tried it before because I've been vegan now for 15 months. So when I used to eat dairy stuff, yes.
They do vegan donuts as well, dude.
Do they now? Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah.
I thought they just still use the batter.
Yeah, they do a bunch of vegan ones, so that's pretty good. Because me and our friend went up there because she's vegan, so we went up there especially for those donuts.
Oh, that is good to know. That is good to know.
So that's cool.
But Robin Hood goes.
He does.
That's it. Yeah.
What is the best motorbike according to you?
I would have to say my bike for me, because I never want to sell it. I've got it now, and it means so much to me that there may be other bikes come and go as second bikes if I can afford them, but I'm never selling my Indian Chief Vintage. I love it so much. However, besides that, best bike. I think the best bike is the one that you're currently riding.
Good answer.
Yeah.
I think the best motorbike is going to be the road glide.
Do you think? Yeah, I think when I eventually get the bigger bike for me and Mad for luggage and comfort, I think that'll be that I'll have the same attitude as you do. I mean, I love the sports, and if it was just me, you know, I could do solo rides, no problem with luggage and stuff.
Yeah.
With Mad on the back and wanting to do longer trips, we need a bit more comfort, a bit more luggage. But then once I get the bike, I think I'll be the same as you. Like, that'll be the keeper.
I'm thinking about pizza. Does that give you a clue? 'Cause I'm thinking about pizza.
Is it what's my favourite food?
No. What's your favourite pizza topping?
Oh, okay. Well, it used to be, when I used to eat meat, it used to be pepperoni. Now I do like Papa John's do a nice version of pepperoni that uses jackfruit, and so that is now my favourite pizza topping.
I tried that the other week.
I like salami.
You like salami?
Salami.
Yeah, salami nice. Can I have salami on pizza?
Yeah.
For dinner?
I don't think we've got any salami, and we can't. Yeah. We can try bacon on pizza this week.
Baking a pizza?
Bacon. You love bacon. We can try
Oh,
bacon on pizza.
yeah, bacon on pizza. Have you ever tried that?
I've tried bacon. I used to do a bacon and sausage breakfast pizza. I had that a couple of times.
Have you tried a pizza pancake?
Pizza pancake?
Yeah.
I've not tried a pizza pancake, no.
It's basically a pancake with pizza sauce and pizza toppings.
Okay, that sounds like something I do, which is like pancakes, but with chili, you know, chili con carne.
Yeah.
And then another pancake layer, then another layer of a pancake.
Wow.
That's really nice.
That sounds good. That sounds good, isn't it?
Oh, so it's like a chili sandwich pancake thing.
Yeah, sort of.
I've done a pizza crumpet before.
A pizza crumpet?
Yeah. Some people won't know what we're talking about right now, but crumpets, I'll put a bit of tomato puree on there and then some cheese and then a couple of toppings and bang it in the oven. That's quite nice.
I've done that because it all seeps into the holes in the top.
People will be like, what are crumpets?
I like a bit of crumpet.
People were like, what a crumpet?
What are crumpets? There you go. So there you go. I like a meat feast, or although like I say, I tried the Papa John's vegan. Is it the sausage and is it the one that you're talking about? Has it got the two different meats?
Yeah, yeah. You've got little bits of vegan sausage and bits of jackfruit pepperoni bits.
I tried that and it was very, very nice. Because I'm open to trying the vegan stuff and where possible eating less meat, so I'm open to that. I just find the cheese.
Please don't become vegetarian.
I won't yet. I can't see me doing it yet, but I'm definitely eating less meat, so I definitely think that helps.
Yeah.
Yes, but please don't be vegetarian.
I find the cheese is very tasty, but it's very sticky. Sticks to your mouth.
Yeah, and the thing was for me that was the hardest. I knew that would be the hardest part of me going vegan would be cheese, because I used to love a strong cheddar or a nice gorgonzola. So what I did, not this Christmas, but the Christmas before, was I ate nothing but cheese, well, hardly anything but cheese boards throughout the whole of December, and I ended up being sick of cheese at the end of it. That's the only way I managed to do it.
Wow. I love cheese. Love cheese. Do you want to move on to another question?
Yes. Where was I? Right. Where do you like to ride? You can't say around Nottingham.
No, I was going to say up around the Peak District. I do like going up into the peaks because You know, you get the nice views and the nice sweepy roads.
Let me just write all of these answers down.
You're gonna write them down. You pretended to write them down.
Hey, give it away.
Oh, giving away the tricks here. For the Peak District.
Yeah, so like going up around the Peak District, you've got the Cat and Fiddle Road. Unfortunately, they've closed the pub up there now, haven't they?
Oh yeah.
You've got Snake Pass, Surprise View.
Yeah.
You've got really nice places. In fact, there's a village in the Peak District called Eyam. That's EYAM.
Okay.
And it was it's a really old worldy village, and during the last plague it was completely wiped out, and they've got these plaques and things of everybody who died. It's a really cool place to visit.
Plaque.
A plaque.
A plaque. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh.
Like a piece of metal or wood or something on the wall with the names on.
Yeah.
I'll look that up, dude.
Yeah, it is a cool place to visit. Yeah, really old worldy. Like all the houses, there's no drives or anything on the houses. It's all right on the road.
We're like last year was me and Mad riding while Soph learned to ride, and building up to more distance. But I'm hoping we'll be able to venture as far as I think Nottingham last year was a bit far for us for Mad in one go. So, but I'd like to. If we can get back into riding again this year, we'll see what happens, obviously.
Oh.
But we'd love to come up and visit, and we could maybe pop in to see you.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely, yeah.
What's your idea?
We could ride to McDonald's, then ride to a different place, then ride to a different place until we get to Nottingham. Then go to Dazzle Yaebel's house.
Yeah,
we could do that.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
We could set off early and stop for a little break, stop for a nice break until you're well rested again, and then jump back on, and we can give that a try, see if we can do it in a day, like get head up there, see you guys, and then come back.
Yeah, that'd be cool. If Mrs. Rebel rides as well.
Yeah. We can get him on a video. We can go and see him and say hello, meet him in person.
We could do that to Lola Moon.
Yeah, we'll do that as well with Dan Moto and his daughter. Yeah. In Wales.
Oh, so we can actually go and out.
Yeah, we've got lots planned this year, but it's just seeing what happens and having the time.
Yeah. I mean, I had lots planned, but I've had to put a lot of it on hold or cancel it because of what's happened. But it's just one of those things. You just have to roll with the punches, don't you?
Yeah, that's it. Just rain check it all, and it'll still be there when all this is done.
Yeah,
it'll still be there.
What's your favourite hairstyle or beard style? You can't do it with your beard, obviously.
Well, yeah,
I've shaved mine back a bit recently. If it grew thick enough, I'd love to have a big forked Viking beard into two plaits.
Wow.
Ooh.
That'd be cool.
Mine doesn't grow thick like Dad's does. It only grows around here, and then it don't really grow much here. You can see that's why I shaved that back a bit. Hairstyle, I used to have a mohawk.
Wow.
When I was younger, I used to enjoy having that, but I don't know. I like long hair. My wife likes long hair. I'm thinking of having an undercut and having some tattoos down the side.
That'd be cool.
But again, it's I've got to I always have to think about all the tattoos I've had. I've had to have them in my head for at least about a year and be absolutely set on them before I go for it. Yeah,
I've said that before. If you've still got if you still like the idea of that tattoo in a year's time, then that's
yeah.
It's a good idea.
Absolutely. What's your favourite style, Mad?
Plaits. French plaits.
Plaits?
Yeah.
What, in your hair or beard?
No, hair.
French plaits in your hair? Mm.
That's nice.
What's your dream ride? Your dream ride?
Dream? Are you trying to sort of hint that it might be the FTR?
Yeah.
I've
Dream
ridden it.
ride?
I thought you were talking more about what's your dream ride to get a place to go, country or area or something.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, okay.
Oh, right. Yeah, I would love to spend a year riding around the USA.
Yes,
That would be my dream.
And
Absolute dream.
if you've got a year as well, that would be because the difficult thing with America is where to go, where to start, or where to visit.
Yeah. I think I'd have to start in the summer months in the north, so that you can do most of that before the winter hits, and then you've got the sunnier climes in the south.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, but you can't do it now because coronavirus.
No, I know.
It's all cancelled.
Yeah.
Maybe me and Rebel can do it when we're retired together.
Retire.
It's not as far away as you think. No.
Yeah. Maybe maybe that's what we'll do when we've actually got a year to spare.
Or maybe if I ever win the 175 million on the Euro Millions, that I'll give you guys a shout and say, come over, we'll ride the States.
Oh, that's a deal. Done deal. I've got video evidence now as well. I'll hold you to it.
Yeah.
Ride across America for a year. That'd be awesome. I'd love that. Wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, for a year.
Oh yeah.
That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
How long is a year?
365 days.
Wow!
Yeah.
That's how long you would take.
Well, it's not how long it would take, but that's how long you would spend over there.
Where am I going to sleep? On the bike?
Take a tent or stop in motels or bed and breakfast.
Motels?
Well, if you've got that lovely road glide, I mean, you could sleep on that back seat.
Oh yeah.
No. What do you have planned for this year?
I had a lot planned for this year, but now I'm not really sure. I'm supposed to be going to the motorcycle show in Peterborough, the MCN Festival. That's been postponed till September now, so it's whether I can still get to that.
Mm-hmm.
I plan to go to do a couple of trips to Wales on the day trip. I wanted to ride the is it the Orme?
I'm not sure.
If you went to Wales, you could see Lola Moon, my friend.
Yeah. I don't think I'll be. It all depends on what happens this year. Now depends if I'm allowed out on the motorcycle.
That is true. What else did you have planned?
Was also hoping to get to Sturgis this year, but I've had to put that on hold for not just what's happened with this whole coronavirus thing, but also I couldn't get the time off work in the end.
Yeah, I'd love to. I was talking to someone about maybe trying to go in a couple of years' time. Maybe not next year, but the year after. We'll see. I would love to do that. There's a few things, isn't there, over there that you could do. Daytona would be nice as well.
I like the idea of Sturgis because you've got the Black Hills and you can go and see the what's the monument, Mount Rushmore.
Yeah.
Daytona Bike Week sounds cool. At least it's sunny because it's Florida.
Yeah. Sturgis would have been good this year if you could have pulled that off because it was the 80th anniversary.
Yeah, and as long as they stay open, a lot of the guys in Indian motorcycle world are planning to do it. I can ride en masse, but it's just whether it all stays going ahead or not, really.
What's Indian motorcycle world again?
It's a group of YouTubers who make content about Indian motorcycles.
Oh yeah.
There's probably at the moment there's about 12 or 14. It's probably going to grow a bit more. I'll have to once I get some of my stickers done. I'll have to send you some, but because I ran out and I now need to get some more. So when I do, I'll send you some over.
That's awesome, dude. We'll send you some as well.
Um,
We're just hitting the pause button on the old mail at the moment while this is going on.
Yeah, it's wise.
Yeah. What's up?
well, I think I know why Aussie and the Indians on there. Because it's Aussie and they're Indian.
Exactly.
Yeah, she's got a brilliant Indian chief vintage that she's really customised. It looks really, really cool.
I'll show you later if you haven't. I thought you'd seen it, or maybe you've forgotten. Maybe I did show you and you've forgotten. But I'll show you. Her bike's really cool. Did you have any other plans, dude, that you wanted to?
Well, no, that's pretty much all on hold. I mean, to be fair now, if we do go into lockdown, I've got some music I need to really crack on with, like recording for me, what I do outside of motorcycling. So it's probably a good opportunity to do that, really.
Definitely.
If we go into lockdown and I'm not as busy at work, then that's probably what I'll do.
Yeah, that's a good show. Definitely.
Okay, what's your favourite YouTube channel?
Channels. In general, or motorcycles?
Any YouTube channels?
There's a great one I follow that really helps you with creating your own YouTube channels, and that's a guy called Peter McKinnon, who's a Canadian photographer. And I've learned a lot from watching his videos. It's definitely worth checking him out. It's Peter McKinnon.
You're the second person that's said that.
Yeah, seriously. I mean, a lot of his tuition videos are really, really, really good. Not just for how to do things, but also getting ideas for creativity as well. It's really, really worth a watch. For motorcycles, there's so many. You guys.
Good answer.
All my peeps in the Indian motorcycle world. I like Macca. You know, Macca the Flemish Emmett.
Yeah,
he's
a mate of ours.
Yeah.
You know Macca, don't you?
You can say all of them if you want.
Can say what?
All of them if you want.
All of them? I'll say all of them. That's easy and nice and easy. Nice. Yeah, all of them. Definitely.
Yeah, we're friends with Macca, aren't we?
Yeah, Macca.
We met him. We saw him at the bike show, and I went down to his rally last year. But I wasn't going to be able to make it this year. But I'm guessing he's postponed it anyway, or he will postpone it.
Yeah, I'd have thought so. I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Oh, another guy worth checking out if you don't already follow him is Richie Vida and Wild Bad Touring.
Oh yeah, I don't think I've watched much of his stuff, but he's definitely on my he's on my subscriptions and on my stuff to watch. I think I have watched a couple of his stuff.
Him and a group of his friends about 2-3 years ago took their own bikes over to the States and did across the States, and that's a really good series to watch.
Yeah.
What's your favourite animal?
Cat.
Yay!
I've got 3 cats, so yeah, cats.
Ooh. My nan's got 8.
She got 8.
Yeah,
that's a lot.
Yeah, I can't keep track of their names. I'm like, is that so? She's like, no, that's the other one. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, I don't think. I mean, I barely managed with 3, so I think 8 would be a bit of a push.
Oh yeah. We like cats in this house, particularly you and Mummy.
Yeah.
You and Mum. We'll have to, when we send you our sticker, we'll send you one of Mama Soap's as well, because that's got a little black cat on it.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
We love cats. You love cats.
Yes.
Good answer.
Mostly me.
Mostly you.
Yeah, mostly me. Then second is Mum. Dad still likes cats.
I like cats.
Just not as much as me.
I'll just leave the cats alone. They get enough love from Mama and them.
Yeah.
I'll just leave our cat to do its thing. Like, she gets enough love already. So.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Mum thinks I don't like the cat.
Yeah.
No, I just like to, unless if a cat comes to me, I'll give her a fuss. Otherwise, I'll let her do a thing, because I'll let her sleep or, eat or whatever she's doing.
Yeah, but when she sleeps,
I think Mama and Mad are a bit like, you know, do you remember that girl on the Looney Tunes cartoons? And
Yeah.
she's like, I'm going to love you and squeeze you and hug you. And that's what they're like.
Right.
No, I'm not.
Cool. That was a good answer. We like that. We like talking cats.
Yeah.
I know what the answer to this next one will be, I think.
What is your hobby apart from biking?
Music. I play guitar and bass and enjoy music.
I knew you were going to say that.
That's cool. What are you learning to play at the moment?
I'm learning to play recorder at school.
But you only had a few lessons and you were already writing your own music, weren't you? Trying to have a go at your own music.
Yeah, and also I've got a ukulele and a keyboard as well.
Wicked. Ukulele.
Yeah.
You learning any George Formby?
No. Sometimes I just make up my own, and sometimes I just, when I forget, I just play my own tune and I just go. Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, you still have to learn to play, don't you?
Yeah, I still need to learn, but I can still play a tune.
Sophie's trained in. She learned piano and violin as a kid. And then she wanted to learn guitar, so I bought when we early in our relationship, I bought her a guitar. I had it dismantled and took the body of it to a spray shop because you couldn't buy like a hot pink guitar like 10 years ago.
Yeah.
So we got this. Well, it was more than 10 years ago. It was nearly 15 years ago. And so I took it to a body shop and had them spray it hot pink with silver flake in it.
Awesome.
Had it put back together, put a leopard skin strap on it. It was proper like glam style. And she's never learned to play it.
that sounds like Mrs. Rebel.
It's upstairs, ready for when you want to learn to play.
Ooh, I want to learn to play.
Well, I'll probably have to replace the strings and all sorts on it, to be honest.
I thought so. After 15 years, you probably need to replace the strings.
Yeah, we'll get it serviced. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Music. We like music in this house.
Yeah, except can we just spray paint it black instead?
What, the guitar?
Yeah.
No. If you learn to play Mommy's guitar, then we'll get you one of your own. We'll get you a black one if you want a black one.
Yes, I want a black one with a silver flake.
I can imagine what type of guitar you would want. I bet you want one of them like funky shaped ones like Kiss.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
That would be cool.
What's apart from Kiss? What's your favourite bands and music?
Sometimes Kids Bop.
Kids Bop? You don't listen to
Kids Pop?
Well, I did last night.
Oh, did you? Oh, on the Alexa?
Yeah, it was really good.
That's not one of your favourites, though. What are your favourite like bands or artists to listen to?
George Ezra.
George Ezra. You like a bit of Stevie Wonder, don't you?
Yes.
You like a bit of Imagine Dragons? Yeah, a bit of Imagine Dragons. She's got a real mix because me and Sophie are into everything, so we listen to a lot of different music in our house. So Maddie's the same. You listen to a bit of everything.
Yeah.
What else? You like a bit of Elvis sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes Elvis.
Bit of Elvis. What else do you like? Yeah,
like that.
You have you have an eclectic taste.
Oh, I like the sound.
Cool. You like to sing, don't you? But you don't sing. You don't like singing in front of people yet.
No.
But she likes singing.
You just stop. I mean, I presume this is going out on YouTube, so you just sung in front of thousands of people.
No, I didn't. I didn't. I'm gonna play guitar on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good
Yes. Thank you, God. Even though I believe in you.
Not sure about this one.
Next question.
What are you scared of?
What am I scared of? Oh,
You trying to tell the truth?
got to tell the truth.
You can't say nothing.
I actually don't enjoy flying. I'm not petrified of flying, but I really don't enjoy it.
Mm.
I don't mind the takeoff and landing. It's everything else that is involved with flying.
Oh, wow.
Airports, in the middle of being in the flight, absolutely hate it.
No way.
Excuse me. I'm scared of robot chimpanzees. Don't ask me why.
What was that?
Robot chimpanzees.
Robot chimpanzees.
They terrify me.
Are they a thing? Are they out in the wild now?
No, they're robots.
Are they out? Yeah, but are they out there? Do they exist?
Yeah, I mean, are they? Have I got to be scared of them? Are they? You know, are they watching us now?
No, it's just they asked me to marry them.
You're gonna have to tell him the story now.
Right, so I went to Butlins. I went into a hotel thing.
Where the
building.
entertainment is.
Yeah, I watched the chimpanzee. He asked me if I had a boyfriend. Said no. And he said, marry me.
Oh dear.
Sick, I ran away crying. I hate him. I hate them for what you did.
Crazy. How about that?
Imagine if it was a flying chimpanzee.
That'd be really scary.
Most people who are not keen on flying, the takeoff and landing is part of it, isn't it? So that's
Yeah, but you see, I don't mind that too much. It's everything else I don't like. I think just how claustrophobic everything else feels. You know, takeoff and landing is probably the most exciting bit because it's the bit where you get to sort of forget who's around you and you just concentrated on that takeoff and landing. Whereas everything else about it, I hate the check-in, I hate the waiting around the airport, I hate waiting around in queues, and most of all, I just hate just sat watching that little screen in front of you while you're full of other people breathing in the same recycled air. Hate it, horrible.
Yeah, I love taking off and landing. That's I have to sit. I like to sit by a window if I can, so I can see.
No,
what's
that's
going
my
on.
job. I sit by a window, but because I'm small, you can still look over me.
Yeah, there you go. And then Mummy sits by the aisle because she always needs a toilet, so it kind of works. Like.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we both get to look out the window.
Yeah, there you go.
What's your favourite drink? This is the last question.
Right. Soft drink.
You can answer it however you like. You can go cold drink, hot drink, and alcoholic drink if you like.
Okay. Cold drink, I just like water. I like drinking water. Hot drink, I like coffee. An alcoholic drink, I like Scotch whiskey, single malt.
There you go. That's true. Rockstar as well. Like it.
What's your favourite drink, Mad?
Milo. That's my hot drink, Milo. It's from New Zealand. It's like hot chocolate, except with the dust you can sprinkle on vanilla ice cream.
All right.
It's like a malty hot chocolate.
Right. Okay. A bit like a mix between what was it? Horlicks and hot chocolate.
Yeah, or a bit Ovaltine, I would say.
Yeah.
A bit like that and hot chocolate. But
right.
Yeah, we got sent some by the two Kiwi riders, and
yeah, watch the video. That's good.
We were told to sprinkle it on ice cream, and it was delicious.
Right.
You could try and do that. We could.
I did find a jar the other week in Tesco actually.
Oh really?
Yeah, in their like world food sort of.
Yeah.
Stuff.
I think I saw that video actually. It rings a bell.
Mm.
I think I watched that video. It was about 6 months or so ago, wasn't it? That you.
Yeah, I would say so.
You did that. Yeah.
Try the Jaffa Cake challenge.
Oh yeah, the Jaffa Cake. We did a Jaffa Cake challenge.
Right.
So we saw how many Jaffa Cakes we could eat in 1 minute.
Yeah, I could only eat three.
I'm guessing you couldn't eat them now, could you, being vegan?
No, because it contains milk.
I was thinking more in the jelly.
I think isn't it supposed to be vegetarian now?
Oh, I don't know.
Jaffa cakes.
Oh,
I think they're supposed to be vegetarian.
There's pineapple.
I could.
yeah, there is. Yeah.
I could do. I could rather than Jaffa cakes. I could do Oreo cookies because they're vegan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Accidentally vegan.
Yeah, absolutely. So I could see how many Oreo cookies I can eat in a minute.
Yeah.
Maybe we can challenge Rebel to that.
Yeah.
We'll have to get some first though.
Yeah. Is there anything that you'd like to say before we finish?
I suppose just be safe, everyone. Be safe and try and stay happy.
Mm.
Be safe. Be happy.
Exactly.
Oh,
Don't worry, be happy.
Stay out.
Who was that? Was that Don't worry, be happy? Who was that? That was that?
Bobby McFerrin.
That's yeah.
I like a bit of Bobby McFerrin in the morning.
Mm.
Have a cheers you up. That's nice. That song is. It's a good song.
Yeah. Be happy. That song.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry, be happy.
It's good days. Bobby McFerrin. Maybe we'll play that afterwards.
Yeah.
Mm.
But thanks for coming on, dude. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for having us, and you two stay safe, and Mama Soph as well.
Will do, man. You want to say anything to Rebel before we go?
Well, thank you so much for joining us. In a tree it means the world to us. For a minute there, I didn't think about the coronavirus. Just for a minute there.
Great. I'm glad that. I mean, I didn't think much about it either while I was talking to you guys. So that was nice welcome distraction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
It was really nice.
We're trying to use this time in a positive way. But yeah, thanks again, dude. Really appreciate you coming on.
That's all right. Thanks for having me.
Taking time out of your day. We appreciate it, and we've learned some new things about Nottingham.
We've learned some new
reminded you about
things.
Robin Hood.
Let's ride your India.
And we'll come and visit as soon as we can, dude.
Yeah, please do, and definitely stay safe. And to quote Bearded Bobber, stay classy.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Take care, guys. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Cheers, dude. I'll speak to you soon. All right.
Take care.
Thanks, man.
See ya.
See you later, dude.
Bye-bye.
Ta-ra, mate.